There is always a way to increase productivity when typing on your iPad. For instance, a double tap on the spacebar will always provide you with a period. Holding down the number keys and sliding over to the desired character will save you 3 taps and return you back to the alphabet keyboard. Holding down a letter will allow you to see the accents associated with that letter. For instance, if I was typing cafe, I would type CAF, then hold down the E to find the hidden characters. Now without lifting my finger, I would slide over to the appropriate accent and release my finger to add it to the text. There are going to be certain words and phrases that you will find yourself typing frequently, such as your email address, or commonly used phrases like I'm running late or on my way. In fact, on my way is one of the default shortcuts that's built into iOS. All you have to do is type OMW, and you can see the complete phrase appears. To accept the phrase, just tap the spacebar to expand the text and then edit as needed. You can add and customize additional expanded text in your iPad settings. Tap Settings from your home screen. Select General in the left side menu, then select Keyboards to the right. Tap Text Replacement. Tap the plus sign to the top right. Enter a phrase, then enter the shortcut. The phrase will be the text that is expanded. The shortcut will be the letters you will type. Now, anytime you type that shortcut in a text field, the text will be expanded into the phrase you entered.